Hi, I'm Kristian Kersting. I'm from the Technical University of Darmstadt, and I'm also a co-director of the recently established Hessian Center for AI. Today, I would like to talk about making deep neural networks right for the right scientific reasons towards the third wave of AI. So thanks for the invitation, because I think this is really an exciting area to work on, namely how to get crop science and AI together. Why? Well, ultimately, I think we all have to help to feed a hungry world. And therefore, in my opinion, a seamless interlocking of AI and crop science is really needed. However, being an AI researcher, it's not only a push for crop science, at least I hope, but it's definitely also a push for AI, because AI is not just about data. Data is amazing, but data is not everything. We need AI systems that can acquire human-like communication and reasoning capabilities with the ability to recognize new situations, adapt to them. So in particular, we have to get the experts and the human into the loop. So let me explain this. Deep neural networks are exciting, and I think every one of you have probably already used them. However, it's not always easy to understand what the deep neural network is really doing, and therefore, in particular in scientific domains and applications, we don't know whether we can trust them. So there's exciting work on trying to opening this black box. So here, for example, you see this work by the group of Klaus Robert Müller, where they are asking, please tell me the input features that are important to explain or to make your predictions. And what you can see is that in some cases, it actually does not make use of the spots in the image in this case, which is important. However, this work doesn't tell you how to fix then the issue. And this is what we were working on. So should plant phenotyping, for example, really care about that? So we were collecting data and we were training and using a deep neural network for classification here, whether some plant is stressed or not. And if you run the deep neural network, it gets almost perfect predictions. And we were a little bit scared that this might be for the wrong scientific reasons. So we asked some of these explainable AI techniques, and guess what? Yes, indeed, it was actually in several cases not looking at the plant, but at the agar. What we were developing is a method then to correct for that by putting the human back into the loop, and you're providing feedback. You could say, look, your explanation doesn't make sense, and so you have to correct that. And then the machine is trying to correct and is trying to improve overall its results.